which is what's interesting. That means we're thinking out of the box and not shutting the box. So I have one. I mean, I really want to talk about the challenges of distribution for independent filmmakers. But before we come to that, and I want all three of you to very quickly tell me the answer to a question, and there's a point and a B point. All of you have made films that are, I won't call them issue-based, but address issues. Where do you draw the line between making a point about the issue that you're talking about and letting the story breathe? That's A. And B is, how do you leave an emotional doorway open for the audience when the audience is watching something which you are telling as a storyteller and they disagree with it? How do you allow them to build empathy? So one, how do you make an issue-based film, or how do you tackle an issue without it become pontificating? And B, how do you deal with the audience? I mean, what kind of an emotional doorway of empathy do you leave open when you're telling them something which may not be palatable? Would you like to go first?
Yeah, तो सबसे पहले तो didactic तो हो ही नहीं सकता. हम लोग ad film तो बना नहीं रहे. We are at the end of the day trying to tell you a story. So I think the best way to tell that story is emotionally, and emotional investment and empathy. You have to build some sort of empathy for the character. So yeah, you can't. I think you can't take that position of saying, at least I don't. I make an honest attempt to not try to be on a pedestal and say, I'm just 45. So I'm also experiencing life. I'm growing. I'm also understanding the world. And if that's my truth, how can I take a position where I'm in my film saying, I know this is it, now I'll tell you. So automatically, if you're looking inwards, your position is, okay, this is what I'm talking about. मुझे इसके बारे में इतना ही पता है. ये सवाल है. इतने से थोड़े एक दो जवाब हैं.
बाकी open to interpretation.
Right. बाकी सवाल हैं. अब आप तय कीजिए. That's the kind of approach. And to the second part is, I feel like the moment, I feel like I don't want to take that burden. Most of my characters are really difficult to empathize with. So I don't try to take that burden of, oh, I have to make you like him or her. The point is, आप craft-wise एक दो चीजें डाल देते हो craftily, which help. But my own belief is personally that the moment the audience is in the position of the protagonist that you have picked, they are already in that position. वो हैं वहाँ पर.
Understood.